This thing up and get this wheel off, so we're gonna install the new shocks in there. So we'll go ahead and replace that shock, get those bolts off, and let's see if I could clean this up now. So I've gone ahead and masked off the areas so that I don't get any overspray on the rest of the paint, and I went ahead and hit the chassis and all of the components there. All right, shocks in, cleaned all this up. Now on to the next side. The new shock in, and yeah, truck is super clean. So I would love to take credit, but the previous owner really did, go to town on this thing. A lot of new lines. Every time I turn around, there's something new with that line. Even the shocks, he bought them. So right here, and let's get this cracker here. Got this one in already. Let's go ahead. So shocks are all in. I cleaned up the front. Still got to do from here back, but I still gotta take care of the frozen clutch. So she's getting there. Time to put her away. See you next vid.